In this video, we're going to go over what exactly is Microsoft Excel. So how does this work? What is it really used for? And what are the different things you can do? And why is it important to organization? That's what we're going to cover in this particular lesson. So let's go ahead and jump into what exactly is Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, manipulate, and analyze information, right? So as you can see there on the right hand side, with Excel, you can create a variety of different data visualizations. You're able to analyze information, you're able to manipulate it, organize it, and be able to present it in a very unique and helpful manner. That's essentially what Excel is. It's really about being able to utilize the tool to create different data visualizations, manipulate the data, and essentially be able to showcase information based off data that is being gathered. And so it's a spreadsheet program which contains a number of columns and rows where each intersection of a column and a row is a cell. So if you look at the right hand side there, you see the different boxes, you see the different sections there. You have the columns that are vertical, you have the rows which are horizontal, right? And that is essentially what is the known as the cell there when they're intersecting. And then each cell contains one point of data or info. And by organizing the data in this particular manner, you can make information easier to find and automatically draw information from changing data. So you can create a variety of different shortcuts, different types of formulas that will allow you to add up information. Let's say, for example, you are looking at, your budget and you're looking to see how much you spent, within a given month, and you're adding up all your different expenses. Well, there's different shortcuts and formulas that you can use to be able to add in all the information based off the criteria that you put on Excel and have it automatically added up all for you and give you the actual number as far as this is how much was spent, in this month. This is how much was spent from this category. And so all of these different things you're able to do, right? Store the data, manipulate it, analyze it, and look at, where everything is coming from and look at the total amount. And so just think about the power of this in the, business setting where businesses, organizations have, thousands and thousands of data types of information where they're looking to see how they can analyze the data, be able to make better use of it, and be able to make sure that it's presented in a way where they can make better business decisions. And then whether you're keeping a budget, organizing a training log, or creating an invoice, Excel makes it easy to work with different types of data, right? We just went over the example of a personal budget where you are looking to find out how much you've spent within a given month, where that spending is coming from, and then also how much you spent within each category, and then all together as a total. Because of the power of the tool and what you're able to do within Excel, it's one of the most used software applications of all times. Hundreds of millions of people around the world use Microsoft Excel. And like I said, it's just pretty much one of those deals where you can use this tool to be able to look at information and be able to make objective decisions based off the information. And so there's just so much you can do here. This can be, a 10, 20, 30 minute lesson here, but I really just want to give you a foundational understanding of what we're looking to do here within Microsoft Excel. And really, like I said, ultimately, it allows you to store, organize, manipulate, and analyze information. And that's exactly what you're going to learn how to do in this particular course, right? So that you can take these skills and be able to develop your, knowledge, your skill set, and be able to go out there and land a job or get started freelancing, which you're also going to learn how to do in this course. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.